Congratulations! If you're here, you're probably wondering how all this can work. How the heck do these guys offer me a free vacation? Is this for real? It is, and the way it works is surprisingly simple. At any hotel or resort, there are times that just aren't that busy. Hotels want bookings to be at 100%, but for certain spots in the calendar, it can be hard to fill up all of their rooms. And every empty room makes a hotel manager that much sadder. In fact, having a person in a room for free is better than no one in the room at all. After all, a visitor staying in a room for free will still likely use the restaurant, the spa, the bar, the casino, and a number of other revenue-generating operations. But there's still the problem of actually getting people into these unbooked rooms. And that's how our partner companies, like the one that has sent you this, can offer you a complimentary stay. Redeem Vacations creates a win-win for everyone. We bridge the gap between hotels and guests by allowing our partner businesses to win, by letting them prepay for vacation incentives at highly discounted bulk pricing for folks like you. You win with a quality vacation for free. The hotel wins by having a couple or family like you that will likely spend money at their hotel while staying there. Now, all you have to do to use your complimentary vacation is click on the link from the email sent to you and pay the activation fee, which includes the nightly local government taxes and fees. Then you will have up to 18 months to use your holiday incentive. Don't have travel dates in mind yet? No problem. You will have 18 months to select from available travel dates. After activation, simply click on redeemvacations.com and choose your preferred travel dates and pick the hotel and room type from the available selection. The vacation break you deserve and have been waiting for is one click away. Activate your holiday today.